main goal of Microsoft Insights is to build better work habits amongst our new remote and hybrid work models. Microsoft Insights helps people and businesses thrive with data-driven, privacy-protected insights and recommendations to improve productivity and well-being. It was brought about when Microsoft studied the remote work impacts on employees and teams during COVID-19 and learned some critical things about collaboration, productivity, and well-being. To access Insights and Teams, just go to these three dots right here on your left-hand menu. From there, you'll be able to search more apps. I've recently used Insights, so it's at the top of my list. But if you haven't recently used it or haven't used it at all, you can just select to find an app and search for Insights. Once you've selected Insights, I recommend pinning it to your left-hand bar so you can always access it. Some key features are to protect time, stay connected, send praise, reflect, virtual commute, and Headspace. We'll go over each of these features together. The Stay Connected tab up at the top helps you stay connected with your collaborators, team members, and also helps you improve your productivity by making suggestions such as to set up one-on-one meeting reminders or to reschedule if there's a conflict, as well as follow up on items if they've seen that you haven't done it. Also letting you know of any app mentioned for pinned important contacts or any unread documents that have been shared with you. You can set up one-on-one reminders here. So if I wanted to set up a one-on-one reminder with Molly each week, I would just say weekly set up one-on-one reminder. It also will tell me different items that I've asked her that she hasn't followed up with, so I can know to follow up with it, or I can just mark it as done. And other than that, it tells me that I'm all caught up and ready to go. The Protect Time tab up here makes suggestions of different times that you should book for focus time. So in this example, it's telling me to book time for focus work and letting me know slots that I have available. If neither one of these slots work for me, like we're closed on Monday, then I can put show different available times and choose from those times to book different focus time to get my work done. I also have the ability in the Protect Time tab to set up virtual commute, which will remind me to finish up my work on the days and times that I suggest so that I can make sure that I wrap up cleanly and on time to protect my home and work-life balance. If we go back to the home menu, you'll see that there's this Send Praise area in the bottom left-hand corner. This is where you can send praise to your peers. So once you select it, just choose the badge that you want to send to your coworker. So I'm going to send a kind heart badge and then the name of the coworker. So we'll send it to Kelly. And I can choose either in the one-on-one chat if I don't want to highlight her, but I like highlighting people in front of a lot of other people. So we're going to do it in a team. Select the channel and the location. So we're going to do announcements, and I can even add in a personal note. So way to go, Kelly. And then I can preview that note before sending it. And when you send it, it'll show up in your team's channel chat. So back on this home screen in the top right-hand corner, you'll notice that you have reflections of how you're feeling. So you can mark it either as neutral, unpleasant, very unpleasant, pleasant, or very pleasant. These are completely confidential and your reflections are private for only your knowledge, but you will be able to track your reflections on a day-to-day basis. We're going to go to the settings, and you can even set a reminder if you want to remind yourself to log your reflections each afternoon, Monday through Friday. You can also set your virtual commute here as well to remind you Monday through Friday, I want to start my virtual commute around 4:30 so that I am logged off by 5. Same thing with praise. I can schedule the praise for Monday through Friday, or just say on Fridays I could schedule praise, and I want around 4 p.m. every Friday a reminder to send praise to people who have gone above and beyond that week. The last item I want to go over is Headspace. Headspace is mindfulness exercises. You can set reminders for yourself to engage in guided meditations or focus music from Headspace, or choose at will which ones you would like to do at a given time, depending upon how much time you have. You also have the ability to access insights in Outlook. So I'm going to open up my Outlook right now. If you select, I already have Insights open, but I'm going to close it. If you select Insights from this top bar menu from your add-ons, you'll notice on the right-hand side that this menu drops down. It'll remind you to plan time away or to mark certain contacts as important so that you get follow-up reminders, as well as scheduling focus time, book time for meetings, set lunch hours, based on what's in your schedule and the patterns that they notice.